Okay, so here's an island. This island has some trees up here, only up north though. Deforestation crews took out the trees down south. Let's take it out a little bit. Here's some water here, water there, and a man-eating shark right here. Now let's get a closer look. Okay, so here's a man. This man's a nice man. He says hello. And this is a chicken. Now what else can I say? They were in love. Now, one day, Chicken had to go take a rest. She got up on the bed, thinking that she would go to sleep, until Man got on top. Unfortunately, Chicken got pregnant, and went into labor very fast. But something went horribly, horribly wrong. She didn't lay an egg. What came out of her was something unlike a chicken, and unlike a human. This is what we now call Chicken Man. Now, Chicken Man, as an adult, he became a cop, a police officer. Then some guy with a badge, I guess. Then an undercover spy. Of course he had a gun. Chicken Man was then sent on a secret mission to an illegal factory somewhere outside of town. Now, Chicken Man had no idea what was in this factory. All he knew was that he had to take it out. Now, this factory was in a pretty remote area. There was mountains in the background, and he traveled at night. The moon was out, the stars were twinkling everywhere. It was pretty peaceful, up until he got there. Chicken Man spied on it for a long time, until he spotted us. And he almost blew his cover. Chicken Man says hello. Now I have to get in there. But the question is how. Hey, Bob.
Oh, hey, George. How's the wife and kids?
Oh, we're doing pretty good. What about you? How's the new house?
Oh, I just settled the mortgage yesterday. It's all mine now.
Oh, that's good. It's nice to be alive.
Yeah.
Number 5!
Oh my God.
Chicken Man gazed on at the workers inside the factory. What he didn't realize, though, is that he just walked into his worst nightmare. A poultry factory. As you can tell, Chicken Man was very angry by those lines above his eyes. See? He took his gun out and got ready. Alright, if there isn't one thing I hate more, it's poultry cooking. Let's dance. Okay, so I think I killed everyone. But what's with that moon? Die! Hey, who are you? Where'd you come from?
Oh, my name is Chicken Woman.
Oh, well, I'm Chicken Man.
Oh wow, another chicken person.
So how did you get here?
Well, I was eating dinner, but then I blacked out. Then I woke up here.
Then I guess I'll save you.
Okay.
And so the two chickens ran off together. They fell in love and got married. They even had babies with each other. See? Those are babies. They grew old together in a cottage, and then died together. So very peacefully. But one thing is for certain. We will all remember Chicken Man.
Chicken's good for the body. Chicken's good for the mind. Chicken's good for the funny bone. chicken bone, tell all your friends. Yum yum chicken bone, bok bok chicken. Yum yum chicken bone, tell all your friends. Granola bar, nice and chewy. Granola bar, my best friend. Granola bar, how I love you. Granola bars, don't beat the kids. Yum yum granola bar, chew 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 it. Yum yum granola bar, tell all your friends. Yum yum granola bar, chew 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 it. Yum yum granola bar, tell all your friends. Chicken and granola bars make a nice meal, especially when you're all alone.
There's something to eat when your wife's in the shelter.
Because she ran into the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yum yum granola bone, bok bok chew it. Yum yum granola bone, tell all your friends. Yum yum granola bone, bok bok chew it. Yum yum granola bone, tell all your friends. Yum yum yummy, bok bok bocky. Slap slap slappy, tell all your friends. Yum yum yummy, bok bok bocky. Slap slap slappy, tell all your friends.